Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to day number 12, freebie number 12th of December. Hope you guys are enjoying the month of December. Don't forget to pause and relax and enjoy the festive season. I know December could be a very stressful and busy month, but don't forget to stop it and enjoy. Today, I need you to go and fetch your sunglasses. Go pause the video, go and fetch them and come back. I will be waiting here. Okay, you got your sunglasses, put them on. Today, I'm gifting you this page here. This page has been designed from the very popular bestsellers kit that I have designed. Is called Bright Bouquet. So throughout the month of December, of course, I'm gifting you 25 freebies. 24 of them, and I don't want to give you anything away, 24 of them have been designed from my very popular best-selling kit that you guys purchased throughout the 2023, and this is one of them. It's called Bright Bouquet. If you still got your sunglasses on, good, because it's very bright. It's so hard, especially when you work with digital, to create colors that actually pop. If you think, I haven't got them in here. No, I haven't got any. If you think of highlighting colors, you know, the highlighting markers, I wanted to create something like neon. And it's very hard because when you start messing about with the brightness of the color, the software, I use Photoshop when I design my papers, it instantly reduce the detail of the papers. I don't know if I can explain this correctly. So when you design something and you alter the color, the sharpness of the image get reduced. So I always need to try to be careful. I'm hoping I have achieved the brightness effect that I wanted to these digital papers. So this is a very bright, hence why, again, it's called Bright Bouquet. I'm going to shut up and I'll show you. It's got lots of different backgrounds and embellishment. This is very peaceful. This is not very peaceful. So this is crazy. This is a bit settled. If you like crazy colors, bright colors, this is the kit for you. If you like pastel or settle color, do not buy this kit because this is not for you. There's a lot of background. You can either fussy cut these flowers, but I did play with like textures. I put some wooden palettes on the bottom. Don't know if you can see this, but I altered a burlap fabric and I turned into a pink and I put the flowers on top. Love, love, love. Then there's I think there's a couple of pages with tags, but this is one page with tags that you can just simply fussy cut. There is a page when I scale down all the backgrounds and I put it in here, so you guys get fabulous background for your if you make like greetings cards or vintage cards. That's that for you. There is a page with two envelopes. So this is a scallop envelope. So that's the two sides that you glue, and this is the lift and put it up. And this is your traditional envelope. So that's the top. That's the two sides. That's the top and that's the bottom. Then you have a page with some tabs, some flowers embellishment, some balloons, mini balloons as well. So again, if you do cards like happy birthday cards, they will look fabulous with them. And then last but not least, two gigantic tags, very, very big. And it wouldn't be my kit without butterflies, because as you guys know, I am obsessed with butterflies. So you got 3 butterflies in there. These tags are huge, 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 huge. So you can take your sunglasses off because we're almost done. So this is the Bright Bouquet and this is the freebie. Okay, so I use one of the pages and I make it even more floral. I added lots of more different flowers, and yeah, this is very busy, but I love it. Let me show you where to download this freebie. Hey guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebies. Okay, so now you saw my Facebook group and how to download the freebie. Let's finish the video with one of the quotes. This is from my 365 Days of Calm. Is the quotes, affirmation and activities to bring calmness every day. And today it's number 38. And it says, I believe in me. It's something that I need to work from my 2024, because sometimes I tend to go a bit down, and then because it's very, very easy, but then I pause and reflect and always try to be more positive. And I might print this and put it here on my desk so I can say this every day. So I put this back at you guys. Believe in yourself. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, do you need some more ideas and inspiration? If the answer is yes, I put 2 paper clips videos on the screen. Do you know how much I love playing with paper clips? So 2 different styles of project. So keep watching guys, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Bye.